Having fun while driving without worrying about it? Isn't that a cool sound? The prospect of completely driverless cars in the near future has investors and consumers eager to see what comes next. Thus, we want to know how autonomous driving will alter the course of events and raise stock prices. Two key components at the center of this technology are full self-driving and autopilot. While autopilot boasts an amazing feature set that makes it possible for the car to drive itself, FSD helps the automobile work by recognizing its complicated surroundings and even parking itself. It sounds like a luxury straight out of a science fiction film, cruising down the highway in your brand new Tesla while relaxing and not worrying about driving. And this is what Tesla has designed for the future of transportation. What makes this interesting? The investors are thrilled about it. For Elon Musk, the creator of Tesla, there is never a dull moment. That's precisely the reason why stock aficionados started arguing passionately about Tesla stock. Ultimately, the business has been growing at an incredible rate, and its stock price has been reaching all-time highs. Is the hype justified? Above all, would the fully autonomous driving capability send Tesla stock prices skyrocketing? Since autonomous driving is already far safer than human driving, it is regarded as a significant development. Analysis revealed that vehicles equipped with autopilot had fewer collisions than those that did not. Compared to a human, the sensors and hazard detectors react to the surroundings far more quickly. The best part is yet to come. You can drive a Tesla to work while having brunch and binge watching your favorite series. Even though technology seems thrilling to you, we all have more in store for the future. With the aid of technological advancement, making snap decisions would become simple. Indeed, Tesla is heavily committed to investigating novel approaches for manipulating the vehicle's autonomous functions. What effect does this have on the stock price? It's no secret, after all, that Tesla is a growth-driven company, and because of its groundbreaking concepts, the price has been on an incredible roller coaster for a while. The market value of the business is at $514.86 billion. Why did Tesla grow into such a prosperous company? Undoubtedly, autonomous driving technology is to blame for everything. Investors poured their brains and money into this tech titan after realizing the venture's skyrocketing potential. Clearly, Tesla rose to prominence on a global scale. It was not limited to the United States. The European and Chinese EV markets were dominated by Tesla. Furthermore, in the US alone, Tesla accounted for nearly 65% of the total sales in the EV industry. Consider the possible worldwide impact. Investors see Tesla as a monster stock that has returned spectacular returns over the past 10 years and as a secure bet. The brand would only get stronger as fully autonomous driving technology entered the vessel, and they would eventually take the lead in the EV market. Investors are drawn to this possibility, which is why they would buy in before the stock truly takes off. Who would want to pass up such a fantastic chance, really? Indeed, Tesla is in a good position to benefit from this, and its semi-autonomous technology by itself proved to be a great success. Reportedly, the new autopilot system joined the success story as well, generating over $500 million in income in 2020 by itself. The establishment has always made a great effort to foster innovation, and autonomous technology is unquestionably the most recent development. Are Tesla stocks in a bull or bear market? Well, given how smoothly the business is operating, what do you really expect? Investors are willing to pour money into Tesla stocks since the company isn't mired in sentiment. It seems sense that Tesla has seen a significant influx of cash given that they have been actively introducing some of the most cutting-edge and well-liked EVs to the market. When there's even a hint of optimism and money coming in, investors are all over it. What more is there to hope for with this tech stock then? I'm grateful. There is also consensus over their ability to significantly alter the industry. The financials appear rather strong as well. In recent years, the company's revenue has increased significantly. Given all the encouraging signs, Tesla's future looks quite promising. It's always profitable, and the benefits are outstanding as well. Thus, it makes sense that the stock appears bullish. The potential future demand for Tesla is a significant determinant of how long the party would last. As long as the company's core remains healthy, there is no need for concern. But is there expected to be a sustained demand for EVs? Indeed, government agencies are now heavily committed to adopting eco-friendly practices. When petrol costs rise, self-driving electric vehicles EVs seem like the perfect solution. As a result, in the next years, demand will undoubtedly grow. Every time an automaker enters the EV market, they aim to offer branded, reasonably priced vehicles. It is standard procedure to increase demand. Yet Tesla has been approaching the game in a unique way. They proceeded to design an impressive model that is unmatched in terms of comfort and technology. Are we still debating and questioning the demand that Tesla will face going forward? Folks, the journey is far from over. With the announcement of the Cybertruck's introduction, Tesla has been making waves in the industry. For that reason alone, the company's reputation has improved, and they are now recognized as the most creative electric vehicle manufacturers in history. While all this is true, why does AI or autonomous driving seem to be the best way to raise a company's stock price? A car that has Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving capability can drive autonomously without the need for a driver. All of it is attributable to the sophisticated AI system that Tesla managed to create. Given that Tesla is making significant efforts to enhance and broaden its autonomous driving capabilities, investors seem very intrigued and sanguine about the company's prospects. I'm grateful. As we previously discussed, people who are concerned about the environment find the technology ideal, which may result in higher prices on its own. Look no farther than Tesla. If you're looking for an EV that can help you save money, it would be the ideal partner. For instance, labor. Costs would be eliminated because self-driving automobiles don't require a driver. You are not required to pay exorbitant sums for fuel, maintenance, or insurance payments. It implies increased efficiency without requiring you to use up all of your savings. This is an amazing offer that contributes to the stock price's extraordinary rise as the technology gains traction. People who don't keep up with the trend risk falling behind. Thus, this gave Tesla a special place. They are now the industry leader in EVs, having been the pioneers in the field. Additionally, this is a good sign that would raise the price of market share. When it comes to cutting costs, having a more streamlined and fashionable vehicle, and improving the driving experience, Tesla has it all. A sharp increase in stock price is, well, inevitable. Did you know that Tesla may be able to generate new revenue streams thanks to its autonomous technology? Tesla may generate money off of its self-driving data by selling it to an outside business. Additionally, they can learn about innovative models such as autonomous delivery vehicles or ride-sharing services. More profit and more justification for a bull run result from this. It's true that investing in the stock market can be risky and skeptical. Greater the higher the rewards at risk. Despite the risk, investors who have seen the trend have continued to maintain faith in Tesla. However, Tesla's stable stock has been bolstered by its strong brand reputation, leadership in the electric vehicle market, and continuous investments in cutting-edge technologies. The reputation as the monster stock is also influenced by the positive increase over time. Do you believe pressure from the macroeconomic system would force Tesla to falter? In actuality, Tesla has made it a priority to survive in spite of the inflationary dread that is gradually permeating the stock market. Right now, it appears impossible to predict if the ship would sink. 2023 has demonstrated a resurgence, indicating that they have overcome the experience of being switched off the year before. Those who purchased the stock at the discount are ecstatic. In reality, Tesla is betting on the long term, and a lot of investors believe the stock will rise significantly. The primary driver of success in autonomous driving is the realization that a company's real worth is derived entirely from its software, not from its final goods. We haven't committed to the enormous price boom that will occur if Elon succeeds in commercializing autonomous driving. So what do you think of Tesla's self-driving technology? Would you be at ease taking a ride in a self-driving Tesla? Tell us in the space provided for comments. Please remember to use the like and subscribe buttons if you like the video. See you everyone when I see you next. Investors believe the stock will rise significantly. The primary driver of success in autonomous driving is the realization that a company's real worth is derived entirely from its software, not from its final goods. We haven't committed to the enormous price boom that will occur if Elon succeeds in commercializing autonomous driving. So what do you think of Tesla's self-driving technology? Would you be at ease taking a ride in a self-driving Tesla? Tell us in the space provided for comments. Please remember to use the like and subscribe buttons if you like the video. See you everyone when I see you next.